Hey everyone, this is Bisnet on your way today again. It's a very great day. All right. So today we are having a trade for Crash 1000 index, which is very awesome. Okay. So this signal was actually picked from a customized indicator. All right. It's not a free indicator. All right. So it's a customized indicator that will be showing us the trend of the market, which is available on PC and also on mobile devices. Okay, so guys, we can see this is exactly what I've been telling you, that trading is very simple. Okay, very simple. You just need to follow the rules of the market so that you know exactly what is happening. And remember that we are on Crash 1000 index on 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is 1 minute time frame. Then we can switch to 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and this is 15 minutes time frame trade. Okay, so you can see that this trade has been coming down for a while now. Okay, it has been coming down for a while now. So guys, I just want you to say this, that if you've not joined the Telegram channel to be picking up free signals, I would just want you to do that. Okay, so you'll be able to be getting free signals. I think it's a good time for me to just pick this profit. It's a good time for me to just take this profit and relax. And the reason why I'm gonna pick this profit is that if no more spike or call for now, all right, so the trade is gonna push us up. It's gonna push us up to the point at which will not be too good, all right, because the profit will have been reduced. Definitely, yeah, will have been reduced. So I just want to let us know that working with customized indicator, default indicator with some twisting or some adding up some setup is very good. Now let me show you guys something before I leave here. Now let's check on this setup. Yeah, let's check on this setup. Now let's go for relative strength index, which is a very good setup for this. Now look at the setting up. The setting up is the parameters is period 3 applied to close, and level is 10 and 90, so that we'll be able to get the overbought and the oversold level. You can add description to it if you want, but I think it's a child's play. So we leave it at this, then we click on save. All right, and the reason why it's at 3 is because it will detect spike faster on let's say from M1, M5 and M10 or M15. Okay, so this is very good for spike detection on lower time frame. Then let's check for moving average. Then we can set our moving average to 20. Okay, we can set this to exponential. All right, then you click on save. Now the next thing that we're gonna add is the stochastics on indicator window 1. So on the indicator window 1, it's gonna create the indicator. It has to be on indicator window 2, but I don't want it to be together with the RSI. Let's see, stochastic. You can see the setup for the stochastic is 744. all right, which is the percent K period for the parameters is 7%, D period is 4, then slowing is also 4, then the price feed is at low high. All right, so we can leave it at this, then we click on save. Then let's go back to our chart to see. Now you can see that we are having everything is looked up on the RSI window. So I will now place them on different window. Okay, so now let's just let me just take this profit. Let me take this profit so that it won't go too long. All right, so now I'll go back and remove the stochastics. Okay, Yeah, let me remove stochastic. Remember, we have the settings. Then I will click on the main chart. Okay, then let's go for stochastic this time. Then you can see the setup is T744, right? Low high, boom. Then it's on indicator window 2. Now look at it. Now we have the main chart, the indicator window 1, then indicator window 2. Now let's get to it. Now you can see that on the level for the RSI. Now let's start first from the the moving average, which is 20. All right, remember the moving average is 20. Now you check it out. Now you see that the moving average, the price has gotten below the moving average, which is 20. All right, which is signifying itself because this is serving as the resistance level. Okay. Now this is one of the major reasons why I said that by using our what is it called, the trend line. Okay, then I say that it might retest back to this level. Okay, yeah, then you can see the same thing is happening with the moving average after when I've added it. Okay, so that's how you combine strategies. So you see here now that the moving average, which is 20 moving average, all right, EMA, you see, and you can leave it as simple SMA. So it's going, all right. I won't feel disappointed if any more spike should happen. Okay, so the price is below the EMA or the SMA, all right, which is cool for a downtrend. So if you have the patience, you can leave it till it gets to this point, okay, which is the level of the resistance level of the moving average. So you can leave it till it gets to the resistance level of the moving average. Okay, when it gets to the resistance level of the moving average, then you can go for another sell. So when it comes to trading, you don't need to rush. All right, when you rush, you're gonna lose money, because sometimes if your strategy is telling you to wait for 3 days before you can execute or open a position, then you have to wait. So there are some strategies that will keep you on waiting. That is nothing you can do to it. All right, it will keep you on hold for a while, then you have nothing to do than to wait. Now after when we have seen that the price is below, then we have a fake breakout at this point here. Okay, then that's why we see this longer spike down. Then when it gets to this level again, which is the same level with what we are having from up here, all right, to this down, all right, then we have another spikes, which this is where we took our profit. Okay, this is where we took our profit. Now let's check on the RSI, which is the resistance strength index. Now on the RSI level, you will see that we are having it at level 90. All right, so you see it's at level 90. And remember, when you check for the repainting or non repainting level by zooming it out to any zoom level you want, all right, remember I have explained to you in my previous video that when you go to the left and right and you discover that it's not repainting here, then that's a good signal for you to go for a buy or a sell. You can see at this point here where I place this my arrow, we go forth and back, you can see it's not repainting, and down here you see it's not repainting. Now if to say you want to go for a buy when the trend is going up, then it's a good thing that you catch the spike from this level. All right, so now I'm not saying you should trade against spike. All right, don't trade against spike. That's one of the best advice I'll give you for this year 2025. Okay, so now let's check on also our stoch, which is our stochastics. You see that on the stochastics level we are having the percent K and the percent D as matched. All right, if okay, the percent K and the percent D as matched, as crossed, they have intercepted. Okay, you can see the 7 has crossed the 5. Now let me explain something for you here before I go. As a bonus to this class, yeah, it's a class. So you can see this slowing. Now let me explain this slowing for you. This slowing will show us how fast or how slow the movement of this percent K and percent D will be. So it's very better that the slowing is not as fast as anything. All right, so that you'll be able to know when to hold on to a trade, like the stop loss or even the take profit. All right, so I think I'll have to create another class for that. I'll have to create another class. I'll have to pen it down. Let me pen it down, explaining the slowing. All right. So I have penned it down. So I'll have to do something into details on the slowing. And guys, do not forget, if you want me to mentor you, I am here. Just message me, join the Telegram or Signify under the comment section. So I'm just gonna pick up your charts. Then when we talk, we just gonna hit it up straight. So after the payment for the class, or you want to join my VIP Signal channel, we are starting up immediately. Your class won't be, it won't take long, just showing you the strategy. And if you are if you're a novice, all right, if you're a novice, so I'm just gonna help you out with everything you need to do. So already we have trained thousands of people. Okay, so guys, you can see that on the stochastics, the slowing is 4. Okay, the slowing on the stochastic is 4, and here you see it will not be that fast, and you can see it's crossing. But do not go for a buy. Don't be deceived. When you've watched some other video, you know we are upgrading all these strategies. All right, so when we watch some other video, you can say, okay, it's now time to buy, blah blah blah. Spike can happen anytime, then you're gonna lose money. So guys, I will leave it at this, and a very big thank you. I will not forget to say thank you for those who are joining my Telegram channel, and for those who are watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a good comment. Even if you don't have the time to comment, just press this thumbs up and go your way. That will help me. It will help my video to reach more people. All right, so thank you very much, and I'm saying God bless you. Bye.